Hello traders, today is May 6th and we're going to look at the Nasdaq, more importantly the MNQ. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. For the new traders that are looking to trade the Nasdaq, my recommendation would be to start off slow with the micro Nasdaq. Now the micro Nasdaq is the MNQ. Most of you who are in the futures trading space already know, just like the E-mini S&P is the MES, the Nasdaq is the MNQ. Now we're using the Sonic system. The Sonic system is universal. It could trade on the E-mini S&P or the Nasdaq or the micro contracts, in this case the MNQ, the micro contract of the Nasdaq. It's a safer way to start, especially if you're a beginner trader. In addition, we're looking at a few short trades already that were successful. Previous to this, where we are right now, we have 1, 2 short signals. So the next trade that we see should be another short signal, and I'm going to take this as an example to show you how to trade the MNQ, the micro Nasdaq, using the Sonic system. We're going to use a limit order. So on your chart, whether you're using Traiding View or if you're using NinjaTrader, the entry is to go short.
Order filled.
And now I can adjust the target to where the Sonic system is telling me the targets should be, as well as the stop. So the Sonic system gives you the target and the stop. The other thing we need to be very clear on is whether or not we have a news event that is at 10 o'clock, because a news event right in about a minute is going to disrupt our trade. So we have a news indicator that we provide for traders. You can download it for free. You can get it off the free member account by visiting daytradetowin.com. And now that we're in a short position, I have a stop which I absolutely cannot move. It's really important that you learn how to keep your stops in place, because that's there to protect you. We also have a target which can be adjusted. So part of the Sonic system allows you to adjust how large or how small the targets need to be. In this case, I'm using the defaulted settings, which is basically 1 times the ATR. If this was the regular Nasdaq, it would be 10 times the amount of money that we're making or losing. So remember, the micro is 1/10 the size. So in this case, it's only $16, $17, $20, $25. But if you were trading the regular Nasdaq, this would be $250 or $260. So remember, the micro contracts, whether it's on the Nasdaq or the E-mini or the crude oil, it's 1/10 the size. And that's really important, especially if you're starting out. We don't want you to jump into this without practicing and joining our live trading room that we have specifically for our members to help answer your questions and get confidence, gain your confidence to learn how to trade price action.
Target filled.
Okay, a very simple trade. Immediately after entry, the market went in our favor. That's part of price action, where we don't want to hold on to losing trades unnecessarily for extended period of time. And the NQ would look like this. Let me just show you. Let this update here for a moment. So you can see on the Nasdaq, it's the same exact trade. This is the regular Nasdaq as opposed to the micro. So you can see that you could trade either the micro version or the regular Nasdaq, as well as the E-mini or the crude oil or stocks or crypto. We have a lot of funded traders that are very happy using the Sonic system. So if you are looking to get a funded account, the Sonic system will help you get there. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com, get a free member account, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.